Okay, what do we have here? This is the Chinatown Bangkok Redevelopment. The old Chinatown that you once knew is fast disappearing. So if you want to see the real Chinatown, the vibrant Chinatown that Bangkok is known for, you have better get there fast. Plans are now being made to renovate all these low-end shops that are along the canal. Very shortly, this area will be lined with high-end retail stores. Yes, Sampeng Alley will still be there, but all the areas around it are going modern. The umbrella market of Sampeng Alley. Let's hope that that stays. We are looking towards Charoenkrung Road. We are now looking towards Sampeng Alley. Beware, there may be crocodiles in this canal. Small, economical, low-end shops are lining the canal at present, but they will soon change over to extremely high-priced places. Look, some locals still remain, and let's hope that they stay. I have spent many days and nights in the Chinatown area. So if you need help with anything in Chinatown, finding your way around, you can contact me. Keep in mind that this video is being brought to you for free, so please do me a favor and like and subscribe to my channel. This canal area is very easy to find. It's only about a 2-minute walk from the Mega Plaza. I have heard that there are plans to put a water taxi on this canal, but so far I have not seen any canal boats. There is also speculation that they may put a monorail above this canal. This canal is only about a 5-minute walk from the Sam Yot MRT station. If you're thinking about renting or buying a pad here in Chinatown, keep in mind this is the 4th highest rental location and property values in Bangkok. This is where the locals eat. You got it right here, economical food. This is a newly revitalized shop house with very expensive rents up on top.